I think it was Honorable Member Suresh Reddy said that even through this, the benefit for the MSMEs may not be substantial. More efforts are required to be taken and so on. I would like to inform the Honorable Member that by the way in which this Act has been worked out, presently where there are only 7 NBFCs which can extend this factoring benefit for MSMEs, just 7. We now, by doing this amendment to the Act, will bring in 9,000 NBFCs, all of whom can reach the MSMEs. So, if in this country, like the Honorable Member said, the contribution of MSMEs to the GDP is very high. They nearly contribute 40% of all exports also of this country in the manufacturing sector. Now, if they are able to access NBFCs who can perform as factoring third parties as well, and where in the place of 7, now this Act will bring in 9,000. You can imagine the number of MSMEs which can directly benefit because of this and directly have the benefit of having their bills, receivables, being given to the third party and getting more liquidity for easy operation. So, other than that one member's concern, I also recognize Honorable Member Kambidurai ji, who also said several aspects which are beneficial for MSMEs. I recognize the comments that he's made. So, with this brief into reply, I would appeal to all the members to support this bill, because even as the economy is reviving, MSMEs having more access for liquidity, more access for working capital, having the opportunity to be able to sell their receivables and have a third party giving them greater liquid assets,